Chanel West Coast attended the Jurassic World 3 premiere in LA on June 6 when she cradled her baby bump in a sexy outfit. The 33-year-old looked stunning when she wore a skin-tight, spaghetti-strap black satin mini dress with a black blazer on top. Chanel cradled her baby bump in this tight little mini, and her oversized blazer was lined with dazzling crystals. She accessorized with a pair of colorful, gem-encrusted heels and a black diamond choker necklace. Chanel posted a photo of her shoes on Instagram, writing, "I felt like if dinosaurs wore heels, this would be the vibe." Chanel has been rocking a slew of fabulous outfits lately, and just the other night she attended the MTV Movie and TV Awards when she wore a tight sequin floral Dolce & Gabbana mini dress. The long-sleeve dress hugged her baby bump perfectly and was covered in pretty, bright pink flowers. She accessorized her look with a pair of black peep-toe Christian Louboutin heels and a clutch from the same designer. Her brown hair was styled by Savannah Calderon, who drew her hair back into a middle-parted, high ponytail with two wavy pieces left out in front of her face. As for her makeup, Chanel rocked a sultry smoky eye and glossy pink lip, done by makeup artist, Brenda Monique. Chanel is expecting her first baby with boyfriend Dom Finison, and the couple officially went public a year ago. Chanel debuted her baby bump for the first time at the MTV Movie and TV Awards on June 5.